Now, we fill the potty with clay.
Done. Let's get ready.
A hand, a dough, a tree. Lift! Maybe it's too thrum? Definitely row rum. I know. Let's take some cray out of the putty.
Then they will be lighter.
And if there is rum, they'll be easier to lift. A ham, a dough, a tree. Not atrium enough at all. I guess carrying the potty ourselves isn't working, is it?
I know, the wheelbarrow. We can use that instead.
Hey, Jouse! They fit perfectly. And nothing is no rum for a wheelbarrow to carry.
Let's take a side each and lift.
A hen, a dough, a tree.
A right limb.
It's rotrum on one side. I can't hold it. Uh-oh.
Ist hobbechte,
Oh no! We're really sorry, Banba.
Tomita! Oh.
Oh, don't worry. We can clean it up. It'll be perfect by the time we're finished. We promise.
Carcayor.
Do you know what we need to fix the garden? A plan. If we thought everything through first.
Then we wouldn't have made a mess or smashed the putta.
Let's put the empty putty in the right place first, and then we can scoop the cray into the wheelbarrow and carry it over bit by bit. It's brilliant.